Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Trish and I like to test out new beauty products. So I got home from work today and I had a few packages, so I thought, let's make a video and do an unboxing. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I got my Sephora Play box. This is my first one that I got. I honestly don't even remember how much I paid for this. It's like 12 bucks or something like that. It's fairly cheap and you get like 5 or 6 sample size products from Sephora. So they're all name brand products. And I'm pretty excited for it just because I'm always looking to try out new products that are name brand, but sometimes I don't always want to pay the full price for them. So what came in here was like a little card, and it does show each item that I did get in here. And on the back it says Stress Busting Beauty Chart, and it's got like the little signs, you know, for your astrology signs. That's the word I'm trying to think of, okay? It's been a very long day, you guys. So let's go ahead and just dive in. So it comes in a little bag like this, and we're just going to toss this box off to the side and get it out of the way a little bit. That did not break, thank goodness. Okay, I'm just going to dump these out so we can get into this. But isn't this cute little packaging? I like it. I might save it and use it for something. I love to repurpose things. Alright, so our first item is by Lancome. And this is, it's an enhancing mascara base. So I actually have several of these. I got in some sample bags, makeup bags from somebody. So I'm probably going to re-gift this. But it's just a white primer for your mascara. I do like these. I do have like large full size of primers, but I do like to take these ones in travel bags, but I'm going to re-gift this. That retails for, it doesn't say because it's a sample size. The next item that we got is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I've been wanting to try this item. A lot of people love this, so I'm excited. It is a felt tip, which if you know me, you know I'm not too thrilled about felt tips, but it is a thin one. It doesn't seem to be very draggy, so that's always my issue with a lot of felt tips, is it tends to drag on my eyelid. So we'll test that out. And I did just hear that Kat Von D is no longer in the makeup industry, so she's no longer part of her brand. So she left and is now with her shoe and clothing brand, which makes me happy because I'm not a huge fan of hers anymore, which I guess a lot of people isn't, because I do like some of the products, but I just didn't really want to support her anymore. Next item is by Glam Glow, and that would be this, and this is a Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask, and I love any type of skincare, so this is great. And it says it is purifying charcoal infused mask to provide clarity for your skin and for your physique. Oh, okay. Clear all this, okay? Clarify it. Next we have the It Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. Here we go. And this one, fake a full night's sleep with this brightening eye cream that soothes and depuffs with collagen and cucumber extracts. I don't really get puffy eyes very often, but every once in a while, not often, but every once in a while I do. I really want to get one of those little skincare fridges. That may have to come in my budget soon. How cute would that be? Next we have a little sample size of the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I've heard good things of this. I have not tried it. I've been wanting to try it. There we go. So it says take the stress out of foundation application with this soothing, flawless disguise clear gel primer that makes your makeup last and last. So I am always on the hunt for the perfect primer. Y'all know this. And last but not least, this is just a bonus item because, you know, the thing always says it comes with 5 items, and this is a 6th item, and it's just a sample of the Philosophy Amazing Grace perfume. So I'm always looking for, you know, nice perfumes. Let's go ahead and I'll just take this out and give it a sniff. I think it smells nice. So I like to use, you know, I have my big bottles of perfume, but I do take these little ones whenever I do travel. That way I don't have to take a big bottle of perfume. So all in all, I'm excited. I do think it was worth, you know, I think 12 bucks. I'll have to link it down below. So make sure you check down below. I'll link, you know, the website you go to purchase this. Like I said, it's by Sephora. It took a little while for me to get it, but it may just be because they ship them, everybody's out on a certain day. I'm not really sure. But I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to see what I get next month. And stay tuned because I also have an Ipsy video that I'm getting ready to film. And I have a haul that I just got from Ulta. So check out my next video. Bye.